Friend, I am on the 25th characteristics of successful people, and that is nothing but they create their own reality. So, friends, successful people they never believe in the reality what other feel about or what other feel as a thing that can be achieved. They will create their own reality. They will work to create the reality of their own. So you will rarely find, I mean, if you do a little bit of analysis, you will rarely find that the successful people they will talk about others' reality. They will not easily or they will not at all accept others' reality. They will be convinced on the imagination, on the reality which they are going to create, and definitely like that will change the world. So basically, whatever the thing which you are seeing right now, the real thing which you are seeing right now, or that was at one point of time in the past, it was impossible, it was unrealistic. So it is someone who has dreamt it, who has dream about it, and made it real and brought it into the existence. So this is the 25th characteristic. I will come with another characteristics of successful people. Till then, bye and see you.